Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Science. So students, in before classes what we will discuss about forms of water. There are three forms of water, namely solid form, liquid form and as well as gaseous form. Yes, students. So, the process of water changing into water vapor we called as evaporation. So, students, in before classes only we will discuss about what is evaporation. So, evaporation is nothing but the water is changed into water vapor we called as evaporation. Just you see here like this. Here the water is there. It will be changed into what? It will be changed into water vapor. That's why we call it as evaporation. So student, condensation. It is our common experience that on cold winter morning when we are speaking, we observe smoke like vapors. Just you see here like this. Whenever in where in winter when we are speak, the smoke will be come out from our mouth. Okay. So student, condensation is nothing but a process of conversion of water vapor into water. So the water vapor is converted into water. The water vapor is converted into water. We called as condensation. Okay, students. Just you see here some dew on grasses is there. So students, I already told you what is meant by condensation. Condensation, the process of conversion of water vapor into water we called as condensation. So here one activity is there, just we have to do this activity. So what we have to take in this activity, we have to take some water in a glass and we have to add some piece of ice to it. Just you see here like this. Okay student, afterwards we have to observe in a few minutes. You will observe formation of small drops of water on the outer surface of the glass. What you will see? You will see that some small drops of water will be present, will be formed on the outer surface of a glass. So student, ice cold water in the glass cool its surface. So the ice which is present in the glass, it will be cool the surface, and air surround the glass container water vapor which is warmer than the surface of a glass. So students, due to the cold glass, air close to its surface will also become closer, cooler. So here what will be happen here students? Due to cold glass, here the ice is present in the wall, ice is present in the glass. That's why it is a cold glass, and the air will be close to the surface and become cooler. This changes the water vapor in the air around the surface of the glass into air and form the small drops on the surface of glass. So, because these changes occur in the glass, that's why what will happen means small water droplets will be formed on the where outer surface of the glass. Okay students, clouds and rains. Okay student, when on a warm day, the sun heat up the ground as well as water in the seas, ocean, rivers, ponds, etc. The water is converted into water vapor by the process of evaporation. Yes, we know that. I already told you that evaporation is nothing but water is evaporate in the form of water vapor. We called as evaporation. So in hot days, in warm days, what will happen students? The water which is present in seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, converted into water vapor by the process of evaporation. Okay students.